Right, today we're gonna bring these metal rods to hang flags, or actually what I'm gonna use it to hang bird feeders. So we're gonna set them up. There's two of them included. The beautiful design, they have an eagle. We're gonna put it up high and we're gonna hang our actual bird feeder here from here. So let's go ahead and do that. And it has hooks, so you could have multiple options, even the lower one, but people like to hang flags here, little tiny flags for your patrician, and then or bird feeders or hummingbird feeders too. So let's go ahead and set it up. I just hang my bird feeder here. It's high above. We're gonna let it hang with all this bird food, so you can use it for decoration. You could hang lights, string lights. I was thinking about hanging my lights there too. You can use it for flags or anything you want. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.